Imagine a tumultuous scene of brave sailors courageously setting sail amidst a raging storm. The powerful waves crash against the sturdy ship, threatening to swallow it whole. Yet, the sailors stand resolute, their faces set with determination as they navigate the treacherous waters ahead. As the sailors embark on their journey across the vast, tumultuous sea, they do so with a sense of bravery that is unmatched. They walk with delight through the powerful sea wind, embracing the wild beauty of the ocean with every step they take. The howling wind whips through their hair, causing their faces to be sprayed with salty mist as they navigate the rolling waves beneath their feet. The sailors stand tall, unaffected by the challenges that the sea presents them, their spirits unbroken by the fierce elements that surround them. With each stride, they revel in the sheer immensity of the sea, its endless depths and boundless horizons stretching out before them. The sailors find solace in the rhythmic crashing of the waves against the side of the ship, a symphony of nature's power that both humbles and inspires them. Despite the dangers that lurk beneath the surface and the uncertainty of what lies ahead, the sailors press on with unwavering determination. They walk with a sense of purpose, guided by the knowledge that they are bound by something greater than themselves, the call of the sea and the promise of adventure that awaits them beyond the horizon. As the storm raged on, the brave sailors faced their ultimate challenge. With unwavering determination and courage in their hearts, they navigated through the turbulent seas, fighting against fierce winds and towering waves. Despite the overwhelming odds, they refused to give up. Through their struggles and hardships, the sailors discovered the true extent of their strength and resilience. They forged bonds that were unbreakable, relying on each other for support and guidance. Together, they weathered the storm, emerging on the other side stronger and more united than ever before. With their sails billowing in the wind and their hearts filled with hope, the sailors pushed forward, knowing that true courage knows no bounds. They had faced their fears head-on and emerged victorious, proving that with determination and perseverance, anything is possible. As they sailed into calmer waters, the sun shone brightly overhead, casting a warm glow on the horizon. The sailors looked back at the storm they had conquered, knowing that they were capable of overcoming any obstacle that came their way. Their journey had not been easy, but it had been worth it. And so, the brave sailors continued on their voyage, their spirits lifted by the knowledge that they were capable of achieving greatness. They had proven themselves in the face of adversity, and their story would be remembered for generations to come. Bulk carrier ships are a vital component of the global shipping industry, responsible for transporting large quantities of goods, such as coal, iron ore, and grains across the world's oceans. These massive vessels are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and powerful waves, making them essential for delivering goods efficiently and cost-effectively. Bulk carrier ships play a pivotal role in facilitating the efficient movement of large quantities of raw materials, such as coal, iron ore, and grains, across international waters. Despite being constructed from the strongest materials, the massive waves of intense storms can push large vessels into the concrete pilings of a dock, causing damage to the vessel's hull. When faced with storms at sea, bulk carrier ships must navigate through treacherous waters while ensuring the safety of their crew and cargo. The sheer size and strength of these ships allow them to handle rough seas and high winds, although they are not immune to the forces of nature. Rough seas, storms, and adverse weather can pose challenges and require the crew to navigate safely while minimizing cargo and structural damage. While military naval vessels are designed to withstand rough seas and high winds, they are not invincible and can be damaged or destroyed by severe storms. In this subtopic, we will explore the unique characteristics of bulk carrier ships that enable them to sail through powerful waves and storms. From their design features to safety protocols, we will delve into how these vessels brave the elements to deliver goods around the world. The impact of powerful waves on bulk carrier ships is a constant concern for both ship captains and crew members. When sailing through stormy seas, these massive vessels are at risk of being tossed around by the strong currents and high waves. The sheer force of the water hitting the ship can cause it to pitch and roll violently, putting stress on the hull and structure of the vessel. Bulk carrier ships profoundly impact the shipping industry and global trade. Sailing in heavy storms can be dangerous, as the strong waves will cause holes in the hull of the ship. Large and powerful waves can exert tremendous force on a vessel, potentially causing it to roll, pitch, or heave violently. In extreme cases, bulk carrier ships may be at risk of capsizing or taking on water, leading to potential disaster for both the crew and the cargo on board. The constant movement and pounding from the waves can also lead to damage to equipment and machinery on board, further complicating matters during rough seas. Cargo liquefaction poses a serious risk, as it can lead to changes in stability, potentially resulting in the vessel listing or capsizing. From cargo being knocked overboard to equipment and hull damage, waves are a constant source of considerable damage to vessels and their contents. Overall, navigating through powerful waves in a storm poses a significant challenge for bulk carrier ships, requiring skilled seamanship and careful planning to ensure the safety of all on board. Safety measures for bulk carrier ships in stormy conditions are crucial to ensure the safety of the crew, cargo, and vessel. Ships must be equipped with appropriate navigational aids, such as radar and GPS, to help navigate through rough seas. It is essential for the crew to be well-trained and familiar with emergency procedures in case of extreme weather conditions. Proper maintenance of the ship's hull and machinery is also important to prevent structural damage during rough seas. When a ship is deployed to carry the cargo, proper planning of cargo operations is essential to ensure the safety of vessel. Modern navigational technology such as GPS can also be used to steer ships clear of known sandbars and coral reefs. All of this demonstrates why having established safety procedures for extreme weather in place is so important, and why all offshore workers need to be familiar with them. Both structures are essential to hull integrity and the avoidance of hull failure. Additionally, bulk carrier ships should have adequate ballast systems to help stabilize the vessel in stormy conditions. Communication equipment must be in good working order to maintain contact with other vessels and emergency services if needed. Overall, having a comprehensive safety plan in place and adhering to strict protocols can help ensure that bulk carrier ships can safely navigate powerful waves during storms. During storms, crew members on bulk carrier ships face numerous challenges that test their skills and resilience. The violent waves and strong winds can cause the ship to pitch and roll unpredictably, making it difficult for the crew to maintain their balance and perform their duties. The constant movement of the ship can also lead to seasickness, fatigue, and exhaustion among crew members, affecting their ability to focus and make quick decisions in critical situations. Despite these obstacles, one of the most formidable challenges that ships face is surviving intense storms. A deadly combination of high waves and strong winds can force ships to be driven ashore, causing severe damage and eventually causing the vessel to capsize. Mental fatigue also accumulates in rough conditions, as the crew must remain vigilant and responsive to the dynamic environment. Additionally, rough weather conditions can result in equipment failures or malfunctions, further complicating the crew's efforts to navigate through the storm safely. Despite these challenges, crew members must work together effectively as a team, staying alert and vigilant to ensure the safety of themselves and the cargo on board. The ability to remain calm under pressure and adapt quickly to changing circumstances is essential for overcoming the obstacles posed by storms at sea. Case studies of bulk carrier ships navigating through powerful waves provide valuable insights into the challenges faced by these vessels in extreme weather conditions. These real-life examples showcase the resilience and skill of the crews as they navigate through turbulent seas to deliver essential cargo. Weather and sea conditions. Bulk carrier are exposed to various weather and sea conditions during their voyages. Role of experienced and skilled sailors. Expert navigators are vital for surviving stormy seas. One such case study involves a bulk carrier ship caught in a severe storm off the coast of Cape Horn. Despite facing massive waves and strong winds, the crew managed to steer the ship safely through the rough waters, ensuring that the cargo reached its destination on time. But there are times when a ship gets caught in a heavy storm while berthed. Despite challenging conditions marked by strong winds and waves reaching up to 5 meters, the Coast Guard successfully evacuated the crew by 01:30 without any reported injuries. In another instance, a bulk carrier ship encountered a sudden squall while sailing through the Pacific Ocean. The crew had to quickly adjust their course and navigate through towering waves to prevent any damage to the vessel or its cargo. Avoid or minimize ship pitching and rolling caused by wind and waves through adjusting course and speed. These case studies highlight the importance of experienced crews and well-maintained ships in successfully navigating through powerful waves during storms. In conclusion, the future of bulk carrier ship technology in stormy seas is promising but challenging. With advancements in ship design, materials, and technology, bulk carrier ships are becoming more resilient and capable of navigating powerful waves during storms. However, the unpredictable nature of the sea poses a constant threat to these massive vessels. Recent advancements in wind-powered cargo ship technology are redefining the future of maritime propulsion. A mega yacht demonstrated its stability and resilience as it navigated through powerful waves, seeking shelter behind a larger tanker to alleviate the impact of the storm. However, these vessels must also face turbulent seas on occasion and prove their seaworthiness. In order to ensure the safety of crew members and cargo, continued research and innovation in shipbuilding are necessary. Improved stability systems, enhanced weather forecasting capabilities, and better communication tools will be crucial for navigating stormy seas with confidence. Additionally, ships are equipped with advanced technology and safety measures to ensure the well-being of passengers and crew. One area of advancement is the improvement of mooring systems, which are essential for maintaining the stability of FPSOs in harsh offshore environments. Ultimately, while bulk carrier ships have come a long way in terms of withstanding rough weather conditions, there is still much work to be done to enhance their performance and safety at sea. By investing in cutting-edge technologies and prioritizing crew training and safety protocols, the future of bulk carrier ship technology in stormy seas looks promising, but requires ongoing attention and effort.